And what is the shortcut to duplicate the layer? And see, Control plus T, I'm just holding Shift plus Alt and drag into one of the corner. If you're dragging like this, any corner, if you hold only on the Shift, you're dragging one corner, then what happened? Only the size of the angle of the size only be the increase. Okay.
Increase or decrease.
Yeah, but I need go for four sides equally. Right. Like this. Hold Shift plus N and drag into one of the corner. Is it clear? Now we have one more shortcut. It's to duplicate the layer. What is the shortcut to duplicate the layer? Control plus J.
Control plus
J to duplicate the layer. Or we have one more shortcut. Alt plus drag. Automatically it generates the layer. Alt plus drag. Dragging. See.
drag అనేది మనం
Alt పట్టుకొని లాగితే మనకి డూప్లికేట్ అయ్యింది.
Control J is also
Duplicate. We have two shortcuts. One is Control plus J and Alt plus drag. Only for 2 sessions the class will be very slow. Yeah. Then after that the class will be very speed. Yeah. Why means for your understanding process. Yes. The train takes so much time to start. Once it started, then after that, there is no. Start working with images, maybe that. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Yeah. Now, how would like to delete the images? Select it, and we have a shortcut to delete the image here. Layer to delete the layer here. But when we select and click delete on the keypad, it doesn't delete, right? No, it's deleted. Yeah, we can delete like this directly. Without having selection, we can see. We have two steps here. This is selection of the object in the layer. Okay, but is it a layer? Is it selected in that layer palette? No. This layer has been selected in layer palette, but the selection is in another layer. This is a selection of the object in that particular layer. Okay, this is a selection of the layer. This is a layer selection. In that layer, this is the object selection. First of all, if you have to tell me this is the object selection, this is a layer selecting. Is it clear? Okay, fine. And now we start with one more concept: selecting and deleting. It's laser tool. Laser. What is laser? Laser tool. To creating a shapes using with abstract styles. Yeah. Like it connects you with dots, right? Like I'm picking and deleting dots. Dots? No. No. It's a one. This is also a selection.
అంటే ఒక పిక్చర్ కి సరౌండింగ్ మొత్తం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి.
Yes. Not only picture, we can create a shapes also. Okay, we can draw the different abstract shapes using what you have in the mind. Like this, we can start like this. If you dragging like this, and when you releasing the mouse, then automatically it will be selected. Okay, there is no step by step. If you're dragging like this, if you remove this one, then automatically it will be selected. Don't leave the mouse, and you have to drag what the shape you need. After completing the shape, then you have to leave the mouse. Like this, we can create a shapes. Taking a new layer and placing the shape. Fine. Now taking the polygon laser tool. What is polygon laser tool? We can take a shape from step by step. Okay. That's in lines. That one was in curves or polygon. That is a curve. This is the lines. It's a straight line. Yeah. Okay. And where is our starting point? This is our starting point. Yes. When you go into the end point, this is end point. When you going to the end point, then automatically it will be asked. It is a O. O is nothing but out point. It is asking go. See the edge. Go. It is an out point. When you clicking the point, then automatically the selection will be formed. Okay. Again, I am taking a new layer to creating any color. This one. These are the styles. Now we have magnetic laser tool. It is also a curvy style, but it won't be work with exactly. Yeah, this was connecting the dots. This is the dots, but it's not that much perfect tool to create the to cut the multiple images. Okay, but we can't form the shape also very perfectly. Why means it won't be listen our words. Automatically it listen only on the pixels of the back side.
I use this for the pictures generally. When I work on my
Just
picture or
round
family
circle
picture,
or
I
anything
just
goes.
zoom in the picture and probably to correct some feature, I use this too.
You can use this
Small,
tool, but it's not a flexible for the multiple
Yes.
color plain background. It only work with single color plain backgrounds.
Is it?
Let me show. Okay, like this we can form the three tools. Means what is this tools? We can take a tools and we can make the shapes.
Shapes.
We can take these tools and we can make the styles, shapes of styles like this. Everything is being completed. Then this is we are working on the objects. Let you open the images. Control plus O to open the images and save documents. Control plus O to open the images and save documents. Save documents already we saved some documents. The documents also we can say we can open directly from Control plus O. Okay. Okay. Let me take one picture and can take a big picture with curvy styles. Okay. How I zoom the object? It's Control plus zoom the document. Control plus zoom in the document, zoom out the document.
So what is control minus?
Rascal. Ana Gopin kalseva.
Sir?
Kalsar Gopin.
Ah.
Parle.
Control plus Z. Control plus.
Plus say plus zoom in the document minus zoom out the document.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now I'm just taking here how I just panning the document using the space bar. When you see when you take in the tool, okay, any tool or when you holding the space bar, then we can see the hand tool. What the hand tool will do, we can pan the document. I am in the zoom like this. I can pan the document very easily to cut the image. Suppose how the background is there, it's multicolor. Why means here one color, here one color, here one color, here one. If you zoom the image, see, this is a pixel. I told the pixel is nothing but square box. It has only one color. If you take here, or you can take here also, it's only one color. This is a single color. Okay, but the shades of the beside colors. These are all the shades. When shades, that's why some millions of shades we are mixing we are creating a image. This background is a multiple color background. That's why I'm taking this tool, rectangular marquee tool. Again, I'm just selecting this one like this. I'm taking any one more new background, any image background. I have to cut the image and I have to paste it like this. Fine. Taking a move tool and these are the documents.
Yeah.
Okay, tab documents. These are the tab documents. Taking the modal, if you just drag it and you can place it here. Fine. But sir, the edges is very sharply, but I'm not looking that much good. That's why what we have to do, we have to give the smoothness on the edge. The smoothness is feather selection. Okay, feather selection. What is the shortcut for the feather selection? Shift plus F6. Here we have C.
So this is used only for
Edges smoothness.
Okay. We cannot use that tool, the dot one. We cannot use that, right? It takes a lot of time. Zooming and clicking and.
I'll show you.
Yeah, yeah. But generally, I use that tool, so it's something new for me. What do you use? Registration.
Yeah.
I use that.
Feather selection. In old versions like CS3, CS2, CS1, CS4, in older versions there is no shift F6.
Oh,
The older versions they use.
control all D.
If you go, yeah, that one also. If you go anywhere, if you go anywhere, there is a Photoshop 7.
Right.
What is the shortcut? It's Control plus Alt plus G. If you press Shift F6, it won't be acceptable. Why? Means that is a low version. మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి రఘునాథ్ రఘునాథ్ కదా అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ తెలుగు
Yeah, little bit.
యూ బోత్ మ్యామ్
Yeah, I also understand, but I'm not very good. He's better, but I'm not. I'm very bad with Telugu.
ఓకే
I can read, but I cannot understand.
like this fine okay what happened I'm just giving the feather selection what is the shortcut shift F6 is the shortcut and I'm just giving the shift F6 is the feather selection
Yeah.
I'm just giving the radius of the feather I'm just giving it 35 what happened the edges the sharp edges has been combined as a curviness
Right.
okay and taking the move tool I'm just dragging and placing to here which one is good
This one, feather, easy.
this one is good okay like that you have to work and this is a feather I'm just coming control alt again step backward control plus alt plus z again coming step backward and I'm just giving the feather it's 1.5 some little bit edge corners
Yeah.
taking the motor and keeping here see this is a sharp edge this is a low feather edge this is a highly feather edge
High is better.
means based on the requirement based on the requirement okay fine now then what about the circle sir come to the circle elliptical marker tool select the circle take a new tool and move to the one place to another place same as usual
Yeah.
here I'm just giving the roughly it's 35 or 50 or 40 or 25 of my wish based on my requirement I need a feather these are the layers. These are the layers. Select the layers. Automatically generate the layer. We are not taking any layer. When you're dragging from one document to another document, then automatically it's generating
You know.
new layer. Okay, this is the concept. If you delete the layer, take a delete layer, or you can use the directly delete button. Fine. You clear this one? With two tools.
Yes.
Then what about the tools? Sir, we are just giving the shape as a circle as well as rectangle. Then I need to make an abstract shape using with laser tool. I can select like this as abstract shape, and I can take the again feather. Or if you're not taking any feather, let you see once. Take a move tool from drag and drop from one document to another document. Again, take this one. Now I'm just giving the feather. It's shift F6. I'm just giving 25. This is abstract shape. This is called hard cutting, short cutting. Okay, fine. Sir, okay now why we use this polygon laser tool? This is taking step by step, but we have a step by step chance to cut the image very perfectly. Come to the zoom, control plus. I don't need to go for a background. I need only image.
Right.
Plus
జూమ్ ఇన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు జూమ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు నేను ప్రతిసారి చేసిన దాంట్లో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వస్తుంది ఇట్స్ గెటింగ్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు రిమూవ్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఓన్లీ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు కీప్ ద ఇమేజ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ ఇన్ ద అదర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఇమేజ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థమవుతుంది కదా కంట్రోల్ see what happened I just came like this I would like to pan the document using the space bar to pan the document like this again take this one again pan the document the shape only one click if you double click means automatic you can get the selection okay
Whenever we are using this tool, we have to go for zoom out, zoom in.
yeah why means the edge we have to go for perfect here
Right.
Keep one pixel inside only, not outside.
अच्छा,
I means the background will become. I done mistake like this.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not going down, coming again backside. What happened? It's backspace.
That's backspace.
Backspace. Backspace. In poly laser tool, polygon laser tool. We can any mistake, we can come backward. I went one application to another application. Okay, then what happened inside my application?
The selection is gone, right?
Selection has been done.
Yeah. Completely under. So you have to do it really carefully.
Okay, what happened here?
It's still there, no, sir? Acha.
Oh, select icon.
I just done to one application to another application and not an issue. What happened? Come to the zoom and take a adding.
okay.
We have adding no.
Right,
Yes,
so yeah.
We have a properties for adding the laser tool. Come to here and come to this one. It's a lot of patience work and for the hand freeness for the mouse. Hand freeness for the mouse and what the edge we are cutting very perfectly. We have to see the things and how we are getting the curviness. This is not a flexibility tool to cut the image. We have one more tool, but it come after this one. We have to perfect to cut the image very perfectly with this one only.
Oh,
That one will be very easy. This is a basic tool and we have one more advanced tool. Without having pen tool, the studio people will work with this tool only in the olden days.
yeah,
Yeah. The laser tool. If when you zooming the image, then you can get the what's the edge exactly. If without zooming the image, how can you find the edge? You can't find the edge. See, this is a hair. We can't get the hair. Why means what the eye visible is looking that we have to do. Okay. If you go for a studio, you can you have taken a photograph, but what the output he has given that we have to take. What we are cutting that is the output. Okay, no need to go for the client explaining here one hair is missing. That is not an issue. Why means we are the designers. This is a multicolor and the hairs are not visible.
Right.
This is a visible image. This is the visible. We can find. We can work with the visible thing. How I pan the document?
by using space bar.
Space bar. Space bar to pan the document. To pan or to move anything.
No double click, right? After get done.
No. See, come to here. Just come to here. This is a down layer, not issue. We can keep like this. If there is a normally selected or normal thing previously, when you coming to the starting point, it's look like as a O out point.
Yeah.
But already it's selected, no? You can come directly from here and come to here, double click. Totally the selection has been changed. But some mistakes is there here.
Right.
Okay,
So minus, we can minus and
take a subtraction. You have to manipulate all the tools. Then only you can get the idea. How the subtraction, how the adding. Control minus zoom out. When you coming here, out point. Just
Yeah.
click it. Then
yes.
now you can take a move tool and move the document from one place to another place.
Now,
Like this, you can cut the image very perfectly. And fine. How the edges? It's very sharp. It's looking very sharply.
feather.
Then you have to use the
Yes.
feather. How much feather I would like to
Very
give?
less now.
Why means why?
Otherwise, the face will be completely
Closed.
blurred or
Closed, blurred, and as well as the background of the image also, it will be filled into the image.
Right, right,
Means
yes.
I'm just giving the feather from here. This is the edge. Automatically, the edge when you giving the full feather, automatically the edge comes like this from the into the it's mixed into the background.
Background. Yes, the purple color background will
Yeah, will come directly.
Yeah.
If you give the less, how much that less point? How much? How much does less?
Maybe like
It's 0.5 to 1.5.
That's it.
That's it.
For close cutting, right?
Yeah, close cutting. That's it. 0.5 to 1.5. I'm just giving one. Other side is one, and I'm just moving from one place to another place. It's enough. See, already it's blended.
Yeah.
It's blended, enough.
Yes.
0.5 is enough, and that one is enough. So you just taken this one, fine, good. But what happens that here we have a mistake. Again come to here, again take a polygon laser tool.
Minus that.
You can take directly, not minus, you can take directly. You can take directly selection. Shift F6, feather, I'm just giving one feather, it's delete.
Oh,
Delete.
right.
It's a transparency layer, no, that's why I can take directly delete. Shift F6 feather. Now you can directly add it, not an issue. You getting?
Yeah.
for going for multiple selection, we have to hold the shift.
Nothing.
Selected.
Nothing. Already this is a shift key. This is an alternate key.
Alternate, yeah.
Shift means adding.
Yeah.
This is minus is alt. See, if you press alt, then automatic see minus is coming. If you hold shift, it's plus is coming. Already this is a minus, this is a plus. Delete.
Feather.
Yeah. If like this, we will cut the image perfectly using with polygon laser tool
And feather.
and using with the feather properties. Feather properties. Fine, everything is good. How I can transform? Control plus T, and I can transform like this. Is it okay?
No.
And Control T. How? You runner. Ela.
Control plus T.
Transform controls. చేశాను ఏం చేయాలి తర్వాత
జూమ్ చేయాలని జూమ్ చేసి
zoom. It's not a zoom.
ఎడ్జ్ ని బట్టి
It's a scaling. That is the scaling. That is called transform. We call it a transform. How can you transform the one property, one image? How can you transform the layer? Using with Shift plus Alt and drag into one of the corner. Then we can get proportional scaling. After completing that one, then we can come to here, directly double click on the layer. Then it will be active. We have only for double click. We have a shortcut to enter also. And what is the shortcut to take a duplicate?
plus P.
Control J.
Control J, sir.
Control J is a duplicate. Fine. Again, I would like to transform. What is the shortcut? Transform.
Control T.
Control T is a transform. And I would like to see this is the edge that just given perfectly in the down of the edge. I would like to decrease from the one side only. Then we have to hold only shift.
Only shift.
Then see. Again taking the duplicate. Again moving one place. Control T. Again duplicating. Like this. I would like to change the document position.
Just move the layer and then.
Just we can move it. Okay. I would like to decrease the opacity of the layer. Select this one. What is the opacity here?
100%.
I'm just giving 50%. I'm just selecting this one, which is called 20%. Like this, we can blend the image. Like this. And
Shadow type.
shadow, there is no, it's not a standing photo. How can we go for the shadow? Okay, like this, the properties will be run using the multiple layers, taking the multiple layers.
Opacity will always be
For every layer,
Every layer.
for every layer, automatically it generate the layer. This opacity for 100%, this opacity for 50%, this layer opacity is 20%. And what is the shortcut of the opacity? Okay, select this one. What is this one? It's 50. I'm just pressing 70. I'm pressing with numerical keys. 2 for 20, 3 for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Like that, we can use a keypad. Using the numerical keypad, the shortcut is nothing but numerical things. Opacity shortcut. Shortcut opacity shortcut వచ్చేసరికి numbers and రాసుకో.
Sir, I have small doubt. Transform controls, control P you said.
Yeah, okay.
To move the picture proportionately, shift plus alt.
Okay.
Okay, just to move two sides is just shift, right?
One side only it's coming. Okay. You see, this is a layer. Control T.
Yeah.
If you take this side, I mean it's a right side.
Right.
Okay. Come to here. It's going like this. If you going this like this, it's coming like this.
Got it.
Only for shift,
Right.
holding only one side.
Right.
When you holding shift plus alt, it's coming four sides.
On all four sides.
Because there is confusion on that.
Again, practice.
చేయకపోతే రాదు.
Indian diametric work కొంచెం చేయాలి.
మరి చాలా ఉండేది. ప్రాక్టీస్ లేకపోతే కష్టం. హార్డ్ టు షుడ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దాట్స్ ఇట్. సిస్టమ్స్ ఉంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకో. You can take application, you can install and you can practice in your home. If you have any doubts, you can come to the main support as well as our Skype. Not an issue.
What is your iPhone Skype, sir?
It's one dot and I'll just give you. I'll just
Yeah,
make
yeah,
sure.
yeah, mail.
Yeah. It's completed. Yeah. Then we have one more. Already we left one more tool that is called magnetic laser tool. How it supports to work with this multiple background. Suppose I'm just taking this magnetic laser tool. I'm just clicking here. See what happened? Is it controlling? It's not controlling. Why means? Sometimes it's controlling. See,
Yeah.
based on the pixels,
Pixels.
that tool will work only on based on pixels. Suppose if you take a single color plain background, I'm just taking, see how it's look. Is it a single color or multicolor? The background.
Magnetic single
color.
Now you can take this one, just click it here. How the easy process.
Yeah. This is magnetic, right?
Yes, magnetic. It's attached to the pixel of the edge.
Right.
Click it on the starting point. Then you can take a move tool and you can place to one place to another place. You can transform the
There it was not happening because there are many colors in the background.
Yes,
That's
multi pixels have. That's why it's not carrying the exact one pixel. That is the problem for magnetic as well as polygon.
This is easier. I mean,
Magnetic
this
is
is
only useful for single background.
Single
very
pixel.
single backdrop. I mean, in case, I mean, if we have time, obviously, because the pixels, it was magnetic laser tool was not catching the pixels there, but we can subtract also wherever it was not catching. Subtract and add. That can also be done,
Yeah.
right?
We have options.
Right. So we
We
can
have.
use those
We
options.
can. But it's a late process now.
That's what I mean. It takes time.
It's take time. That's why while they're keeping a timing, then you can use the polygon as well to make it
But
fast.
polygon is more late, you know, it takes lot
Yeah.
of time. So you select this and then
You can subtract and you can add it. You can using this one. Suppose polygon using this one. It's a magnetic laser tool.
Yeah.
Come to the image. Yeah.
And it's different.
Backspace. Keep the point.
Yeah.
Keep the point. When it's mistaking, keep the point.
Hmm.
Keep the point. This is also flexibility thing.
Right.
Okay. What happened? This is the mistake.
Yeah.
Okay. You can take a now polygon laser tool.
Okay, that's right.
It won't be again. It won't be control. Again, it change the pixels. That's why take a polygon laser tool. Okay. Subtract. Which one is the subtraction?
That is subtraction. Yeah.
And just take a adding.
Yeah. This is easier. Go ahead.
I'm just doing roughly. Just do for practice.
Yeah, done. So this is time saver. If you have a multiple pixel background.
But edges will be very perfect with the polygon laser tool as well as this one also. Not an issue. See.
But if we feather it, you know, then it won't
That will be
seen.
0.5
Yeah.
and on. These three tools okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the shortcut for laser tool? What is the polygon laser tool?
L.
Polygon laser
L for
tool.
laser.
Polygon laser tool.
Shortcut, huh?
Shortcut polygon laser tool. L is a laser tool.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, polygon laser tool. Same shortcut. Shift L.
Shift L, right?
Magnetic laser tool. Shift
Yeah.
L.
Shift
See,
L, just
when you-
like shift M.
See, when you're pressing here, it's a laser tool you are taking. Shift L.
Then all the tools are displayed. Yeah. Got it.
It's a cycling.
Right.
The shortcut will be only one.
For magnetic? Magnetic you have to say.
Shift L.
Shift L, it shows there,
See.
over there. Because it is moving on top.
Laser, polygon, magnet. Laser, polygon, magnetic. Laser, polygon, magnetic.
It is shift L.
We take one more tool. That one is quick selection tool.
What is this called?
Quick selection.
Quick selection.
Quick selection.
Quick selection.
You told it's a time taking process. How can we get the easy process
Okay.
using these tools?
Quick selection.
It's easy and very accessible to all known people.
Yeah. See, take a quick selection tool. You can drag it like this. You can drag it like this. Okay. But some here you can take a plus symbol. When using this tool, automatically it select as a background also. Now the image has been selected or total background is also selected.
Background also. Yeah.
If you take a move tool, if you move this one, the image will become or background will become.
So the background will, the image will be there only in that.
Yes. Why means the selection has been done in background.
Oh.
Okay, it's selected as a background. It should be shifted to reverse, like as well as inverse.
Right.
That is called inverse selection. Control plus shift plus I.
Inverse.
Control plus shift plus I. Inverse selection. Here I just given.
Control plus
Shift plus I. Check Kiran. Check. Let Kiran call చేయండి. నేను లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు, నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే. Okay. Now this one is very easily. You can take a this tool, pick selection, taking the adding. Come here.
Okay.
This tool is available in only latest version.
No, every version. No need to take again adding and subtraction for the other supporting tools. Only this tool we can work on it. Take a more tool, can work very perfectly, but the edges will completely be different.
Okay.
And sharp.
Yeah,
Then automatically feather, is it?
automatically it takes a little bit feather, light feather.
Yeah.
Light feather.
Fine.
The edge is totally like that. See.
Slightly,
Okay, now then what about the magic wand tool?
that
Pick
is
selection tool and magic wand tool. Of course, come to magic wand tool, you can select this one. This one also you can select easily. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
See,
We are using magic wand now.
yeah, magic wand tool.
Okay.
Is it clearly?
Right.
You have any edges adjustments? Any edges?
No.
Now control shift I,
Control shift I for inverse and then.
take a more tool. Now you can place here how the edge is very sharply. Then you can take a feather. Here we have to mention the feather. Here already the feather will be taken directly.
Yeah.
Okay, here we have to mention the feather. But these two tools when we are taking for the multicolor background, we can get the edges like this. Some disturbances. That's why when we use these two tools, these two tools work with only single color plain background.
Quick select.
Quick selection and magic wand.
సింగిల్ కలర్ ఓన్లీ ఒక పిక్చర్ మాత్రం
ఒక సింగిల్ కలర్ పిక్సెల్ ఉంటేనే బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఉంటేనే తీసుకోండి. మీకు మల్టీ కలర్ పిక్సెల్స్ కుదరన్నా కష్టం అయిపోద్ది తీసుకోవడం.
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో లాస్ట్ డాట్
మరి ఆ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అనేది అక్కడ చూపిస్తా, దీంట్లో పెట్టి చూపిస్తాను వాటిని. ఎనీ డౌట్?
Yeah, in the other one also there was something I did try, sir, which was not working with the single color, which was working only with the single color background, magnetic, right?
Magnetic.
Magnetic.
Yeah, which one in polygon laser tool? Laser
Which
tool.
goes with all the
Multicolor
right?
background.
Only magnetic.
Magnetic can work with single color.
That's right.
Single color.
Magnetic. Single color background.
అర్థమవుతుందా? కొంచెం అర్థమైతే కష్టం క్లాస్ ఇది. కొంచెం అర్థమైతే కష్టం, మొత్తం అర్థం అవ్వాలి. యూ షుడ్ బి ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే, క్లాస్ సెషన్ ఇలాగే ఉండిద్ది. స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ జాయిన్ అయ్యావు కదా,
ఇంకా ఓవరాల్ కాలేదు.
మరి నేను చెప్పేది నాతో మాట్లాడు. ఓకే, నాతో మాట్లాడితే ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చేసింది. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్?
I will use all the tools and both the
He is
which is on
very
your
good for
Yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah,
Photoshop is an interesting concept.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, this one is the thing. I'm just taking this one, taking the quick selection tool step by step. See, we have to mention the step by step here. And what is the how the selection is the total background.
Yeah.
Control Shift I just inverse the selection, take a more tool and placing into one image. How the edges is there? See,
sharp.
some disturbance.
Disturbance.
Some little bit feather has been taken.
Yeah.
That is quick selection. But quick selection is a basic tool. Magic wand tool is an advanced tool. You select at a time once.
Okay.
Only at a time once.
Because
Okay.
of the plain
If you need to take selecting, see. If you take any single color, just click it here. Control Shift I. Take a more tool and place into the background. How this edge and how this edge.
This is sharp, that is slightly blurred.
Which one is good?
Sharp is better. I can feather it out if you want.
Yeah,
But that is not clear.
yeah, that
That's
is the
why,
main thing.
yeah.
Quick selection is a basic tool.
Because I can see some white over there in that.
Yeah, magic pen tool is a advanced tool.
Magic tool is useful for this portrait making and passport pictures. So they can distort that background and other things.
Yeah, means by means if you go for a studio, they will keep a single plain background, backside, a single curtain. Okay, that is a single color, very dark color.
Yeah.
By means when you selecting, it's very easy to
Put another
yeah put into another background, remove to another background. If you go for this light color, they will go for a dark color.
Yeah.
Background the blue color will be the dark. Automatically they will take a color with the magic bundle. Backside selecting, I can just remove the background and just place it another background and giving the password. Just go to the print. Going the color correction.
It's very easy to remove background.
Sorry, I'm just going off the class. Remember that movie Mundamai MBBS? And he does that, right?
Yeah.
Boomer returning the actor. He clicks his picture and he just puts his picture in front of Eiffel Tower in America. Oh, sorry, Paris. And
We can see now.
do that.
See, this is a concept. Already you cut the image.
And just put it in another background and it
Yeah.
looks like you are there in US.
If you take it directly,
It's really easy, right? I mean, from the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, that's great.
backgrounds, place it.
We can use any image as background as
Yeah.
cut and paste.
But image should be the
So list. You know the image how big you can cut. You know the image. Now you can cut directly.
Yeah.
How we place, I just show you directly. Now this is the image. You can make an image.
Yeah.
You can how can you import the image directly? You can drag and don't place in here. Don't go to the new tab.
Okay, okay.
Okay, or otherwise you can open Control plus O where the image is there. Directly you can open directly from the image like this, and already you cut the image.
See.
And you can take an image directly. Selecting this one 50 plus F6 feather. I'm just giving 50 feather. I'm just taking a duplicate from the selection. Control plus J. Control plus J. Duplicating. Okay, we have two images here. One is this one and one is this one. I'm just deleting this one and placing this one. Control plus T. Transform. Apply into the feather and take a eraser tool. Keep the eraser tool as a soft eraser tool.
How many tools you use in this?
Only one tool. Nothing. Just take it. See, you cut the image. Directly you take the image from here. You just get the image from directly from here. You can directly transform it and take an image. Directly you can take a eraser tool. Eraser tool. What the eraser tool will do? We can remove the unnecessary part. What the unnecessary part we have? This is the unnecessary part. We have two types of eraser. One is hard brush and second one is soft brush. If you take like this, is it okay? No. You can take soft brush and you can remove like this. Take a Control T again. Control T again. You can increase the size. Again, you can remove like this. You can decrease the opacity.
Oh.
Like
This
this.
is what we use in wedding pictures now, using 2 to 3 brides every
And wedding pictures will come very perfectly.
That's what I mean.
The quality of the image will be very high.
Right.
Then the background is very high. How can we design the albums? I'll show you the things in for further classes. Like this. Using this pic selection and magic
Yeah,
pointers.
that way.
Okay. And taking the crop tool. What is crop tool?
Most used tool.
మనకి పిక్చర్ ని మనం కట్ చేసుకోవడానికి
Which one is the necessary part that you can select it? You can place directly. I need only for this one. No need to go for this one. Like this, we can select and we can adjust and just double click on the document. Directly, we can decrease the document. We can cut the document. Which one is necessary and which one is unnecessary. And we have one more thing. Yeah, right. Crop tool.
Any shortcut for that?
See,
Just see.
see here we have
కంట్రోల్ ప్లస్ సి
general C.
జనరల్ సి
Generally, just press C. See here we have a C.
Okay, there are 4 divisions.
If you learn one thing, automatically it will come again. The shortcut will be cycled. Shortcut is C.
సి
Crop tool. We have a prospective crop tool.
Prospective.
Crop tool we can decrease the document size.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the prospective crop tool? We can decrease the document and keep it as an angle. See, suppose I have a document like this. I'm just cropping this one using with the perspective and keeping the angle.
Oh.
Some funky things,
Right.
funkiness like this.
But the picture is also getting faces getting slightly distorted, right?
Why means it's just giving the angle now with distorting the angle.
But why is it used? I mean, is this used?
Some funkiness. The Photoshop is a funkiness too.
Yeah, two clubbing two pictures,
Yes,
merging two pictures, merging two images.
like this. Some perspective way. Generally, like this, the walls will be there. See, that is a wall. The two corners will become as a single.
Yeah.
That is a perspective. That's why we can give like this. See, something like this. Some perspective concepts. Just one thing. Based on the angle, shifting into the angle.
Yeah.
Slice tool is work with web divisions to cut the position only. Okay. Suppose I have a. This is okay. Clear and just close it.
Yeah.
Make it like this and save as a file into PSD. Save as a file into PSD Photoshop document. Make that file and keep the mail as well as or keep taking come to here. What the mistake you had and I can explain that.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the meaning of PSD?
Photoshop document.
So we have to say only PSD,
PSD.
not
JPEG is other, that is totally image file.
only image.
PSD is a source file. Suppose how many layers we have here?
1,
I don't
2, 3, 4, 5,
know.
6,
To
7.
maintain that source, yeah.
Again, we can change it. See, suppose this is a cutting concept. Cutting. Okay, what's the cutting? It's the image cutting. And just save it into as a Photoshop format option. It's saved as a PSD. And just close the file. Again, what happened? I just open this file image cutting. Double click. The client said just keep this image as a this Photoshop file as a image. Again, save file, save as. Already save as been completed. Save as.
Then JPEG here.
Come to the JPG, like JPEG, come to here, save it. What is the quality? High. And this is a source file, this is an image file. Of course. What happened? The client said, hey, don't keep like this, just decrease the sizes of the image. Is it possible to edit in the image?
No.
No, we are putting the source file.
Yes, that's why we are keeping the source file. Again, taking the source file. What the client told? Just select the image and decrease the size. What the client this one just decrease the image and just delete this dark. Now Control Shift yes or Control S save. First of all, we have to save the source
Save the
file.
source file.
After that, Control Shift S save as. Control S is the save. Control Shift S is the save as.
Control plus.
Plus S. Control S save file. Control Shift S save as. Save as into the file format. What is the file format? JPEG.
Control plus shift S plus
Shift S ante. Save as.
save as.
Save as. అంటే
Control plus yes కొడితే
ఇప్పుడు కంట్రోల్ ఎక్స్ అన్న సేవ్ అయిపోయిన ఫైల్
అవును
ఇదేం ఫైల్ ఇది ఫోటోషాప్ ఫైల్
అవును
ఈ ఫోటోషాప్ ఫైల్ ని నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను ఇమేజ్ కిందకి మారుస్తున్నాను
కంట్రోల్ ప్లస్ షిఫ్ట్ ప్లస్ yes కొడితే
అంటే మళ్ళీ సేవ్ చేసుకునే ఆప్షన్ ఉంది మనకి
ఓకే
అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాను ఫైల్ సేవ్ యాస్
ఓకే సార్
షిఫ్ట్ ఎస్ కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ ఎస్ సేవ్ యాస్ చేశాను దీంతో నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ నాకు కావాలి అది ఫైల్ అది ఇమేజ్ ఫైల్ లోకి రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి జేపీజీ ఫైల్ లోకి వెళ్తున్నాను ఇమేజ్ కటింగ్
ఫైల్ లో రావాలి అంటే ఈ ఉన్న కంట్రోల్ ప్లస్ షిఫ్ట్ ప్లస్ ఎస్ కొడితే
ఫోటోషాప్ ఫైల్ ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చింది కదా కంట్రోల్ ఎస్ అంటే ఫోటోషాప్ ఫైల్ కింద సేవ్ చేశాను లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ సపోజ్ I have a file. I have how many objects I have? One object. I'm just taking the object and we have one more object. So a little bit bored.
No, sir. Very interesting, no? I mean, no. Sounds are getting good.
Yeah, fine. These are the four objects we have. I would like to save the client set. I'm just giving the means I would like to saving my file, my source file.
Source file.
నేను ఒక ఫైల్ ని దాచిపెట్టుకుంటున్నాను ఓకే కంట్రోల్ ఎస్ is my source file. That is what is the source file? It's .psd. psd is nothing but Photoshop document. Means Photoshop document means we are working in a Photoshop application and I am saying a Photoshop file, that is a source file. Source file and ఎప్పుడైనా ఎడిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఎప్పుడైనా మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఓకే and just
wrong ఉంటుంది
circles. The name is circles. What the client said, client ఏమన్నాడు నువ్వు సోర్స్ ఫైల్ ఇస్తే క్లయింట్ కి ఏమైనా కనిపించిందా అంటే ఎలా కనిపించింది ఇలా కనిపించింది సర్కిల్స్ అని అతని దగ్గర ఫోటోషాప్ ఉంటే ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటాడు అతని దగ్గర ఫోటోషాప్ లేకపోతే
జేపీజీ ఫార్మాట్
ఫోటో ఫార్మాట్ కి ఆల్రెడీ సేవ్ చేసాను అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఫైల్ సేవ్ యాస్ అంటే సేవ్ యాస్ చేసి జేపీజీ మరి సేవ్ యాస్ ఒక్కసారి చేయొచ్చా ఎన్నిసార్లు అని చేయొచ్చు we can save any number of times of as jpeg okay with a different names yeah with a different names and file name is circles.jpg save and see you directly send the file directly this one for the client what the client said hey don't go for red color then change the color you can change directly in the image file no that's why again I can open my source file come to the selection and go to the file what the file we have taken
And then save.
save it control s save again control shift s save as jpeg and come to here and where is the circle select it save and replace it yeah marinda like that the so the formats will be run what is the jpg What the file format JPG? JPG or JPG?
JPEG.
JPEG. We call as JPG or JPEG also we can call.
Okay.
What is JPEG? Joint Photography Export Group. Joint Photography Export Group.
Joint, Joint, right?
JOINT, yes. Joint Photography Export
photography.
Export
Export.
Export
Yeah.
Group. Joint Photography Export Group. These are the circles. Like that, we can manipulate the documents. Okay. Now, what the slice tool means? We have a image. Finally, we have a image. That image should be
You're going to new tool, is it?
slice tool.
Slice.
You clear all your previous tools, no?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
అర్థమైంది కదా అన్ని పాత టూల్స్ అన్ని అర్థమయ్యాయా ఇప్పుడు దాకా చెప్పి అర్థమైంది కదా ఇంకొక టూల్ చెప్తాను చూడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకు ఓకే స్లైస్ టూల్ ప్రాక్టీస్ లేకపోతే కష్టమైపోతుంది చెప్తున్నాను జాగ్రత్త స్లైస్ టూల్
ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ చేసినది ఒకటి మూడు ఒకటి
మన సెలెక్షన్
సెలక్షన్ ఒకటి
మరి ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని టూల్స్ జరిగాయి త్రీ టూల్స్ జరిగాయి
Yeah, yeah.
త్రీ టూల్స్ విత్ షార్ట్ కట్స్
So tool,
అండ్ మ్యాజిక్ వన్ టూల్స్ సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టేకింగ్ వన్ ఇమేజ్ yeah this image should be cut into pieces. Take the slice tool. What is the slice tool? We are just cutting the pieces. 1, 2, and like this 3, and I'm just placing like this 4, 5, 6. Like this, I can edit the slice selection tools, and I can edit the slice, and I can adjust the slice. Using with this slice tool, when we use this tool means the people who has learning on the web designing people, they split the website, they split the images and shift into the browser. There they use this one for the web purpose. They use the slice tool, not for graphic purpose, but I'm explaining you, just check it. This is the thing, but I have to check my split images. Control shift S, control say for weapon, control alt shift S, say for weapon devices. These are the splitting slices. And why we using 4 slides? What is the decrease of the size? The web not take very large sizes, they take only small size files. For 46, 2.4, 1.72, 1.645. Which one is less? This one is less. I can take this one, okay, selecting, and is a JPEG, and save the file directly, desktop, see, HTML or HTML images. I need only images, enough. Okay, images, and where is the root file? I'm just creating a root file that is called Bouncy.
Oh,
Yes. But actually, why the people will use this one? If you go for a web template, I'll show the example also. Yeah, just saving the file, and I'm just importing this image. The web designing people use this one. Now take a slice tool. Yes, like this the web designing people will take a pieces format. And this is a logo part. This is a search bar. You understanding what I'm doing?
Yeah.
The website the people will do like this using splitting. Again they will take a same one part, but we don't use. But let us see what the thing is going on. Now the market is very high on web designing. Hot things on the market web designing. Like this, enough. Control Alt Shift S, save for web and devices. And I'm just creating one more folder that is called root folder www.mywish any folder. Now I'm keeping HTML and images both. This is a web template now. Save it. Come to here and take a root folder. This is a web browser. See.
Oh.
And where is the
Acha. Oh. Everything is in division.
automatically it will be split.
Oh.
That is the process they are using directly from this one.
But how they are going to join it?
Hmm?
How they are going to join it again?
In web design.
Already it came now.
Like this only. That's who has created automatic.
See when you open the website, how the website will be there? It's joined only, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is joined now. See,
Oh.
this is a web browser. Directly, this is a program. This is a browser. We can visualize the code. Like this, it will be split in the olden days, not now.
Okay.
Now they are using directly div tags. Div tags and directly they are creating there only in the code.
Acha. Okay.
With
They are
the-
not using this thing.
No, they will go for a button. They will form a button directly. This button directly form in the using with the code only in the web designing. But which type of thing they are taking going to this type of logo? Logo they will take and they will copy and they will paste there. This is the old process for slice tools.
Okay.
Okay, but this is an unnecessary thing for you. If you keep it in your mind, you can keep it. If you leave it, you should leave it.
What is now such a transparent slice?
Selecting tool. You can select the slice selections. Which one? This one select and we can edit. For the selection, this is drawing. Select slice tool. This is slice select tool. We go for one more tool. Enough.
Yeah.
No, sir, I think because we are already in
Yeah.
three and we need to practice.
Yeah.
Otherwise we'll get confused.
Take a practice. Tomorrow we go for.
Let's see for 2 weeks we can do.
I told eraser tool. Okay, eraser tool I told you.
Yes, we did just now.
Yeah.
Bit of it.
Eraser. What is eraser? We can remove the unnecessary things. We can erase it. Nothing like eraser.
It's like a
But there are 3 types of erasers.
I just told one only.
Yeah.
When the topic will come from there, I'll just show you the 3 concepts.
Okay.
When I'm doing this concept, I just mingle only one concept,
Yeah.
one tool only. If I tell 3 concepts, you can confuse.
Confused, right.
Just go for only one tool. That's it. You confusion lo unna.
So we did the last two, we did with
చేయాలన్నా మూడు టూల్స్ చెప్పింది అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యేవాళ్ళు తెలుగులో ఏం కాదు నేను నా పక్కన ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని చేయి నేను పక్కన ఈసారి చేయించే బయటికి పంపిస్తాను ఓకేనా మ్యామ్ దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫ్లాష్ డ్రైవ్ జస్ట్ మ్యామ్